A Group, the pub operator being bought by Slug and Lettuce owner Stonegate, reported that earnings dropped this year after the disposal of 354 venues. The figure's revenue was up 4.17% from £695 million to £724 million in the 12 months to the 30th of September. Read more. Competition watchdog to examine £1.3 billion tie-up between Stonegate and A Group. Earnings before interest, tax, depreciation and amortisation slumped from £282 million to £268 million. The company reported a loss after tax of £209 million from a profit of £72 million last year, and a basic loss per share of 46.2p, from earnings per share of 15.2p. Why it is interesting: in January, A Group announced the sale of a large chunk of its 412-strong commercial pub portfolio to Tavern Propco, a newly incorporated private fund owned by Davidson Kempner Capital Management, in a deal worth £348 million. The pub operator, which was formerly known as Enterprise Inns, said the money would reduce its debt pile and provide shareholder returns. The sale came ahead of an offer by Stonegate Pubs, which also owns Walkabout and Yates, to buy A Group for £1.3 billion. The offer, which has been approved by shareholders, is currently under the first stage of investigation by the Competition and Markets Authority. Read more. A Group's profits rise thanks to drinks sales. The deal is expected to complete in the first quarter of next year, subject to regulatory approval. What A Group said. Chief Executive Simon Townsend said, "Since 2015 our strategy has been to develop optionality across our asset estate and to strengthen the balance sheet through deleveraging. The completion of the disposal of 354 commercial properties during the year demonstrated this strategy, growing value through the transfer of assets to their optimum use and then unlocking that value through monetisation. The disposal realised embedded value and provided us with the opportunity to accelerate our debt reduction plans as well as returning capital to our shareholders. The approach by Stonegate to acquire the business is recognition of the strength of our strategy and the value of our high-quality pub estate. Stonegate has indicated its intention to continue our strategy of improving the quality of the estate following completion of the acquisition, by ensuring the right consumer proposition is available in each of its pubs supported by the best people, utilizing the optimum operating model." Main image credit, Getty. For more on this story, visit the news article link.